class we discussed about multiplication of fractions by whole numbers. Here multiplication of fractions by fractions. Multiplication of fractions by fractions. Okay, in this see here an example. 1 by 4, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. It means 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. If you take a circle or a square, okay, a circle is divided into 4 parts means each one contains 1 by 4th part. It is 1 by 4th part. Here 1 by 4 of 1 by 2 of 1 by 4 means take this part. This is 1 by 4th part, and in that half part, 1 by 2 means half, so in that half part, this is the 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. If you take this into 1 by 2 half of parts, how many parts a circle contains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 1 by 2 of 1 by 8 means how much part? 1 by 8 part. In 8 parts, 1 part. In 8 parts, total how many parts? 8 parts. So in that 8 parts, only 1 part. So 1 by 8. Okay, children. In fractions, multiplication of two fractions. See here. Product of two factors equal to product of two factors is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. In this way we can multiply two fractions. So here first example 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is given. It is a fraction and this is also a fraction. Now how to multiply this fraction is here product of numerators. So we have to take the product of numerators 1 into 1 divided by product of denominators 2 into 4. 1 ones are 1 and 2 fours are 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. Like that we have to multiply the two fractions. So see another example 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 I am taking. In this we have to take first the product of numerators and then the product of denominators 4 into 6. 3 5s are 15 and 4 6 are 24. So in 3 table 15 also there and 24 also. So 15 5 times and 24 8 times. It becomes 5 by 8. Okay children, 5 by 8. Okay children, exercise 3, first problem, find each of the following products. So here we have to find the product of these two fractions. So 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. So in the two fractions multiplying, we have to multiply first the numerators, product of numerators 5 into 7 and the product of denominators 6 into 11. 5 7s are 35 and 6 11s are 66. So this is the product of 5 by 6 and 7 by 11. So see next question, multiply and reduce to lowest form. We have to multiply this and reduce into lowest form means after product we get the reduced form. So 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5. It is a mixed fraction. First of all we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5 means we have to multiply first these two numbers. 5 5 is 25. Now add 25 to 1. So 25 plus 1 is equal to 26 by denominator means 5. So here 2 into 26, 52. 2 into 26 divided by and the product of numerators 3 into 5. So 2 into 26 means 52 by 3 5 is 15. Okay children, like that we have to solve these problems. So see the third one, which one is greater? Which one is greater? Here two fractions, two types are given. 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 and 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So in these two, which one is greater we have to find and tell. So 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 means here half means we have to multiply both numbers. In the previous class we talked about half. So half means we have to multiply. So 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 equal to 2 by 5 into 4 by 7 means 2 into 4. We have to multiply the numerators and denominators. 2 4s are 8 and 5 7s are 35. It is 8 by 35. It is 8 by 35. Now 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So we have to multiply both these two fractions. So 3 into 1 3, 4 2s are 8. Here 8 by 35 and here 3 by 8. So these two are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means denominators are not same. So we convert these numbers into like fractions. How to convert is simply multiply this number with 8 and multiply this number with 35. So 8 by 35 into 8 by 8. 8 8s are 64 and 35 8s are 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 28, 280 and 64 by 280. Now 3 by 8 into 35 by 35. So we are multiplying this denominator with this number and this denominator with this number. So 35 by 35 means 1. So 3 into 35 is equal to 105 and 8 into 35 280. So in these two numbers which one is greater? So both the denominators are same. So which denominator has greater value, then that number is greater. So here 105 by 280 is greater. So means 3 by 8 is greater. 3 by 8 means 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater value. So therefore 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater. Okay children? Okay children, here I am giving 3 problems as homework. Do these 3 problems as homework. Here this fraction are given, so convert these two numbers into improper fractions and find the product. Okay children, see you tomorrow. Bye.